We are booking for summer season. Our tiny river house is located on the bank of the Clackamas River just 30 min from Portland. It is just 200 square feet, but has everything you need. Made with reclaimed lumber and industrial accents, it takes full advantage of the beautiful views on this peaceful river setting. The space. This is a one-of-a-kind tiny house built on a military ammunition trailer. The tiny house was built by the host and carefully constructed with no detail left out. There is even air conditioning for warmer days. The setting is ideal for nature lovers. On a hot summer day, it makes for great people watching as the rafters float by. If you like to fish, you can fish from the bank or arrange a guided fishing trip. You can even float the river, swim, or sunbathe. Guest access. The home is situated on the bank of the river and guests have access to the entire tiny home and the property it sits on. Please note that the tiny house is down a gravel hill and is set in a field with uneven ground. Entry to the tiny house as well entry to the bathroom and bedroom are accessed by climbing a few steps. Please note that this is not ADA compatible. The walk from parking area to house is approximately 100 yards. The property is gated at main entrance. Guests will be given a code for access to gate. Hosts will be on site as our home is on the acreage as well. Other things to note. There is a 2-burner propane stove, microwave, refrigerator, Keurig coffee maker with coffees, toaster oven, and all utensils you need if you choose to cook. If you decide not to cook, there are several restaurants within minutes. Fire pit for campfires and fixings for s'mores available too. Firewood bundles available for purchase. There is a tiny, but full bathroom with shower and a Lavio dry flush toilet.